till now, we were able to connect all of different data sources that we do have with TrendMiner, no? But we want to continue, no? Because there are different systems in use, no? With valuable data, no? That we want to use. So we need to continue following this road for further integration.
Since when are you working with TrendMiner?
Since 2019, actually. Then we started setting up the first pilot, no? And then afterwards we decided to continue with TrendMiner and ordered some of the programs for the rollout. I think in the very beginning, the hardest challenge was to convince people and make transparent what benefits TrendMiner is providing, no? In comparison to other systems. So that was the toughest one in the very beginning, no? And after we started the rollout, things became or received to have their own speed, in the rollout. I think the most important was, in the end of the day, the usability of TrendMiner in comparison with other products. So let's say the user interface, that it's very intuitive to use. So that was the easiest or the biggest impact, really, to convince others to use it. We do have lots of asset monitoring, it's like OAE use cases, but we're also providing information of our logistics department, in order to provide them with the corresponding information to be able to order new material and so on. But let's say the main focus is really the usage of TrendMiner for root cause analysis, and to improve the process. In general, the support of TrendMiner is very good, from our direct contacts that we do have to the company, As said, we are faced with some issues in regards to data connectivity and so on and so forth, but I do know that TrendMiner has a team behind, which is supporting, and till now things were going good.